session of Wellbeing Academy. Pause to breathe. Today we will try to find our balance. How to rest without fixation. Our mind, the mental posture, and our physical posture. All united through the breath. I would like to begin with a couple of tips for the posture, for your body, for the spine. The spine is made of many elements. Maybe think of it like a necklace of pearls. You want to display all its beauty. You don't want to have it too tight and to break the thread. And you don't want to have it too loose. So just the right amount of balance to have straight spine, but relaxed. Beautiful pearls, parts of our spine. Each vertebra shines, and it has enough room. So lengthen your spine, extend it, expand it, but in a balanced way. It's something to practice when we walk, when we sit, when we lie down in the bed, before we get up from the bed, from the chair, get out of the car, out of the bus, out of the plane. Spine straight yet relaxed. Relaxed all around the spine. All the muscles, all the muscle groups. Connective tissue, all the cells, each and every cell along the spine, and feel the breath like the waves of the ocean, waves of the breath, in breath, the out breath, how they come in the body, lengthen the spine, come out of the body, and release the tension in the muscles. After watching it for a while with your inner eye, with your awareness, Bringing your attention to the spaces between the vertebrae, between the pearls. After releasing and relaxing and softening the muscles and all the tissue around the muscles, around the bones, around the joints, relax with each exhalation. If you can. It sounds like a simple instruction to follow. Sometimes it's not easy to do it, especially to master it. So take your time. Finding your balance is a process. You're purposefully paying attention in the present moment without making any kind of judgment. If our mind drifts away, if our body slumps, just focus again, not too tight. Bring attention, sustain the attention. Just like when we play the instrument, when we swim, the balance between the tension and relaxation. The evenness between the inhalation and the exhalation. And the mind, it rests without fixation, only awareness and attention. If we notice the tightness anywhere in our arms, or legs, or muscles, we just release again. No one outside of us is forcing us to tighten our muscles. So it's us we can release. But of course, if we let go of all tension, we might fall asleep and become too drowsy, too loose. If your plan is to fall asleep, then definitely you can do that. Otherwise, try to maintain the balance between tension and looseness. Once you discover that perfect balance within your own nature, you'll be able to swim through every aspect of your life the way you swim through water. The way you inhale and exhale. The way you lengthen your spine. The way you feel the texture, the quality of your breath. that same equilibrium in your mind, that balance, mindfully, steadily, being curious without judgment. Thank you so much.